In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog content planner using the versatile Notion platform. Let's dive right in and create a tool that will help you efficiently organize your blog content and keep everything on track. First, head over to your Notion workspace. You can access this through your browser or desktop app. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on Log In at the top right of the page. Enter your credentials and you'll be taken to the Notion homepage. Here, you'll find all your existing projects and pages. Next, we're going to find a suitable template for our blog content planner. Start by looking for the Templates section. It might be prominently displayed on your homepage, or you might need to search for it in the Notion interface. Once you've located the Templates option, click on it to browse through the available templates. In the search box, type in blog to narrow down the templates related specifically to blog content planning. You'll see a variety of options to choose from, each designed with different features and layouts. Take a moment to browse through these options and select one that aligns with your blogging needs and personal preference. Whether you prefer a minimalist style or a more detailed planner, there's likely something that fits. Once you've selected a template, click on Add. This process will import the template into your Notion workspace, making it ready for customization. Now comes the fun part: tailoring the template to suit your specific needs. Click on the newly added template to open it. You can edit the page to include your blog topics, deadlines, levels of priority, and any other information that you find relevant. Start by changing any placeholder text to your specific blog titles or ideas. You can categorize these by theme, publish date, or any system that works best for you. Consider adding additional sections for tasks such as research, writing, and promotion deadlines. Use tags, checklists, and other features available in Notion to ensure your planner is as comprehensive as possible. Remember, the more information you include up front, the easier it will be to keep your content organized and your workflow streamlined. And of course, feel free to change colors, fonts, and other visual elements to reflect your brand's identity or your personal taste. Notion is incredibly flexible, so don't hesitate to experiment until you find the setup that works best for you. By following these steps, you now have a customized, organized, and efficient blog content planner in Notion, helping you to stay on top of your blogging schedule and consistently deliver quality content. Thanks for watching and happy planning.